In this video, I'm going to talk to you about French green clay. This is the French green clay I'm talking about, and this is the color. This clay is it comes from France, okay, and it has the unique composition. It includes magnesium, calcium, titanium, sodium, potassium, silica, iron, and aluminium. It's light green in color. Okay, the color comes from the naturally occurring oxide. Okay. So now this French clay, the good thing about it is that it absorbs and remove impurity from the skin, and it helps to reveal a younger, looking and healthy, glowing skin. When you prepare this face mask, okay, it really helps to tighten your pore, okay, and help to tone your pore, okay. It's good, it's mainly used to make mineral baths, okay, because it helps to promote relaxation. It's very suitable for all skin types. So when you are thinking of what skin type to use it for, it's suitable for all skin types. You can use it to make, soap, face mask. You can use it to make a mineral based cream. You can also use it to make body scrubs, facial powders, body wraps, coat process. So basically how you use it is that when you are using it for coat process, so you use it 1 tablespoon per pound of oil in your soap. And when you're using it for skincare, you can use it from 5% to 100%, depending on your weight you're using it for. Be careful, this can stain the skin, so you don't want it to come near your clothes. Basically, how you do is that you're going to take 1 tablespoon of this, or if you want to make a little bigger batch, you're going to take 2 tablespoons of it, and you're going to add enough water, okay, to make a paste. So just like I've been doing for the other clay that I've been showing you before, take it and add enough water to make a paste. This is suitable for all skin types, so we don't have to worry to be asking for the. So just add a little bit of water to make a paste, and you apply it on your face. It's a very good clay, very rich clay to tone the skin. So after that, you apply it on your face and allow it to dry between 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's dry, you wash it over with warm water, and you pat it dry, and you follow with other of your skincare. Remember, when you use clay on your face, make sure you use a toner to remove any excess impurity that's left over on your face. So that's basically how to use French green clay. It's another very good clay you can use for all skin types, just like Rousseau clay. The goodness of clay is that you can mix it with other clays. Okay, very good. You can mix your clay with other clays. I'm going to do a series of that video in my upcoming video. So that's about it for our green clay. Very good. Look in the description box below for where you can get your own. Now, if you want to learn more about using different skincare ingredients to make skincare, produce a channel for you. So click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.